up, YouTube? It's your boy Dave, and I'm back with another video. And today we'll be doing a pizza mukbang.
So,
what we're gonna be doing is talking about, why we haven't been recording, why we haven't posted, what do we got new coming up this year. Basically, we're just going to tell y'all, break everything down. Make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hit that bell for post notifications, so you can get all the videos that we're gonna drop. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video on game. So, if y'all wanna know what I got, we got Little Caesars, one of the best pieces. But I got pepperoni. I already took a bite out of mine. I was already hungry.
And I got cheese, can't go wrong with cheese.
I apologize for not posting, but it's the reason why. And what I'm gonna say is, one reason is, for one, we both is working 2 full-time jobs, trying to make some money.
And we had 2 jobs. I'm talking about waking up at 6 in the morning, having to be at work at 7. Don't get off till 4, then go right back into work at 5.
5:30.
And not get off till 3
a.m.
Not even just 3 a.m., 3:30.
Yeah. So, that's one. YouTube wasn't gonna pay no bills, not at the time.
Yeah, not right now. So, you gotta grind till you can get it.
This man went to Germany. So, we didn't record then. I didn't record because I was still working full time.
But shit, we all back now.
Yeah.
Still finna be working, but we finna try to drop videos every single week for y'all, so y'all know y'all got something to watch.
Yeah.
Something to look forward to.
We got so much stuff planned for y'all. You just don't know. Next video, it's gonna be for my birthday, basically. I'm gonna do, vlog on my birthday,
3/21.
Yeah, gonna come up March 1st. Be on the way. Be on the lookout, matter of fact.
Can pipe up, no crap.
Second video might be a public interview. We're gonna go to my partner's school, cause his birthday like 7 days away after mine. We're just gonna go to his school, We ain't gonna tell y'all what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be a public interview.
All these next videos gonna be lit. Gonna be piped up. Crazy shit happening. I just gotta look forward to it. No problem.
Excuse me.
It can be up. I don't even eat ranch with pizza. You can take this shit. Are you like ranch? Yeah, got my ranch downstairs, so I don't know.
You sleep. You supposed to put ranch on it. And Zap Pack.
Nasty.
I'm putting y'all down right now. You put the Zap Pack on your pizza.
The best thing that can go on pizza is Parmesan. I don't think anything else.
Hold up, matter of fact, leave a comment if you eat Alfredo pizza.
Chicken Alfredo pizza from Domino's. It's not like you got pasta on there or anything like that. Instead of having regular marinara sauce, you throw some Alfredo sauce on it with some cheese and chicken. And who don't fuck with pizza? It's not that different. It's not even nasty. That shit fall. Especially if you get a pan pizza, not just a regular pizza. Pan pizza, that shit fall.
Only way I'm gonna eat that is if I have barbecue sauce with it. That shit is so dry.
It's not dry. What are you talking about? That shit is not dry.
It's like somebody smoking a blunt. They don't got no water. You got cotton mouth. Now that's how dry it is. Or you eating some crackers. Or eating a biscuit from KFC or Bojangles or whatever.
Bojangles got some fire-ass biscuits. Bojangles got some fire biscuits.
Dry.
That shit not even dry. If you get that hot and ready, like fresh out the oven, that's the only time it's good. You should never eat pizza when it's not, fresh out the oven. It's always gonna be nasty. It's never gonna be good.
But yeah, 2020 is the new year, right?
2020.
what I said in my last video was, say your mama, your daddy, your uncle, your brother, your sister. I forgot what else I said. I said 2020 we finna come up. And that's what we're finna do. Finna come up. So, this is a new video. It's gonna be the first video of 2020. I know I ain't posted in a long time, but those are the reasons why.
Another thing is, if y'all got any ideas for our next videos, y'all can go ahead and comment under below. Let us know, because we have no limits. It could be the craziest type of concoction that y'all can make. So let us know, you know.
We finna go up.
We on it. We on it.
Another thing, I had to go ahead and
oh yeah.
I had to go ahead and get me a laptop.
Yes sir.
Cause for one, it's better for editing, more space. And then gonna be in my camera next week, you know, so be better quality. You know,
better sound, better effects.
Yeah, better effects.
Just better everything.
Yeah.
Really investing our time and trying to, you know, make these YouTube videos something special.
That's another reason why I was working 2 jobs.
It ain't just for none, man. You got to go places, do different things, man. YouTube's finna go up. Just remember us saying this. YouTube finna go up, but that's only because of y'all.
Yeah. If y'all don't support, yeah, we gonna go up. I mean, it's really only got 3 of us that really do this YouTube stuff.
Real shit.
You know, everybody else.
And another thing is, you know, for y'all helping us, you know, for sure we gonna help y'all too. You know, we gonna have like special giveaways and different things like that, and contests.
I might even give away that, $1,000.
I'm talking about $100, $300, $500. Man, this is gonna go up. Different. You know, contests have different prices and everything like that. And like have raffles and stuff like that. Talking about giving away just all types of stuff.
The thing is, we don't get paid for no YouTube, so that money gonna be from us. Our hard-earned working money. That we used to work at jobs, so us giving away money that we would need. And shit, if y'all got to go up with us.
Shit, we gonna go up with y'all.
Hey.
No crap, man.
We need a family.
Family stick together.
To be honest, you know, it's a matter of fact, the new gang gonna be called Crazy Gang.
But you know, I can't forget one more thing. Let me show y'all this. Probably some of y'all already seen it.
This piece is smashing. You know what another thing is? Leave a comment if you can eat a whole box of pizza like I can. I can.
Most people can do that shit, but I can't.
No,
I'm not.
No, you can't.
I don't see how some of y'all do that. Now I can eat a whole 20 piece by myself though. I know I can do that. I can't even find it.
I'm gonna even eat 20 pieces.
Not 20 piece. I'm talking about 20 wings.
That's what 20 pieces.
I thought you said 20 pieces. 20 piece wings. I'm talking about half hot and the other half honey hot. Never go wrong with that. I don't even get fries with it or nothing. By the time I get to the house, I can only eat food if I'm really, you know, watching TV or, you know, like we're doing now, just doing something active. I can't just eat like that. It just be awkward to me. Nah. And I can't just eat anywhere. Just can't be anywhere.
I eat a lot.
You eat a lot for you to be skinny like the way you are.
I ain't that skinny like y'all really want to look.
Not that buff.
I ain't that skinny like look.
Nah, man. You got all the tattoos to cover that.
I ain't even that skinny. So, like I said,
can't even find it. Fuck it.
Y'all stick with us. Gonna be some good ass, some fire shit that we gonna be doing. Some fire shit. Ain't no cap. trying to get my piece back. I already done ate 4 slices. Like I said, I eat all 8.
Oh, I had 3.
But his little brother right here on the side, but he eating too. So. Y'all want to see his little twin, his little mastermind?
What? Say what's up, man. Come on, man. Say what's up. Say what's up.
His little mastermind.
Come on. Say what's up.
Little bro.
Man, just do your thing. You know, just do your thing.
All right, so close up. Get screw back. Yeah, just like that. Game boy fishing egg. Sit up.
Do your thing. Introduce yourself. You know.
Alright, leaving that part out.
You be doing what I be doing sometimes. But I don't gotta do that no more. Yeah.
This is little bro. Next NBA player. If he get them grades right, he'll be a next NBA player. Tell y'all, listen, watch out. He class up.
2025, not 2025. I mean,
What, high school?
It's something. It's gonna be not 20. Not
I
2020.
graduated in 2025.
From high school? Oh, class 2025. Y'all get at him.
Oh yeah. Class 2025. Yeah. That's 5 more years from now.
I'm gonna be 25.
Exactly. No, by the time he graduates, I'm still gonna be 24.
I'm gonna be 17.
Cause my birthday in August. And you know they graduate in May.
You're not gonna be 17. You're gonna be
Yes, I am.
18.
No, he gonna be 17.
I'm gonna be 17. My birthday in June.
Yeah.
No, they get out of school in May. Oh yeah, June. So.
This is why you stay in school, kids. Stay in school.
Hey, I passed my stuff. I don't give a damn. I'm out of school.
That's crazy, man. My birthday late as fuck. My shit always late.
Yeah, he late. He the baby of the group. But yeah.
I'm gonna say something. Oh. Some more other videos that we're gonna be doing too is
Pranks.
we're gonna be doing pranks,
Vlogs.
vlogs, all types of stuff like that. But you know, can't forget about, you know, the best system of all time.
If you got sweet,
Let me say this all. And some other videos that we're gonna be doing, you know, pranks, vlogs, you know, all types of videos like that. And you know we can't forget, we're gonna be doing video games, streaming, all that on the best console ever, Xbox.
Right.
So you know if you got an Xbox and not a fucking gay station, you know, go ahead and comment. No gay stations at all.
No gay stations.
Go ahead, comment below your gamer tag. And yeah, you know, yeah.
Yeah. How many game tag? Xbox on.
Yeah.
PS4 y'all gay stations.
And we're not trying to hear your disagreements and your conversations, you know, none of that, man. Don't even comment. No. We won't fuck. We won't fuck.
But y'all still can be part of the Brady line though. Fuck with y'all with that though.
Yeah. Alright, I fuck with you.
But yeah. But that's all that we have. Make sure y'all stay tuned because I will be moving out the house. I will be getting my new car. That's all gonna be on the
New
vlog,
video
so.
soon.
Yeah, that's gonna be new too. That's gonna be something a little spicy, a little juicy, you know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all stay tuned. This will be the end of the video, so like I said in the beginning, like, comment, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Be a part of the Brazy Gang. It's 2020, you know, we finna go up. We ain't finna go down, we finna go up, finna turn up.
Exactly.
We not finna hit the brakes. We
keep
all on go,
stepping
all on gas.
Facts.
All on gas, yep, and we stepping, big stepping.
Big drip, you know, type of shit that we doing.
Man. So like I said, y'all support us, we'll support y'all.
Big fact.
So without further ado, this will be the end of this video on game.